All right, today we're gonna bring an electrical spray gun. Now, everything you see in here is including the different nozzles. All right, they have different ones that you have to remove. You would have to remove the existing one. Right now, you currently have an A and B. This is for wide or thin mold. You twisted the actual head, and it actually changes different size. It could be flattened or it could be straight. All right, parallel or horizontal. That's what you have options right now. Different nozzles, like I said, the cleaning kit is included too, because after you remove the paint and you run it with water and thinner, make sure you clean it up. All right, if you leave any kind of paint in there, it's gonna get clogged in the next paint run. All right, now including with the instructions how to put this together, a little brush in case you mess up, you want to, or it's dripping too much, you can always clean that. They give you a set of gloves, a bag to carry on with you to the next project, and then the actual funnel here, and also to thin down the actual paint, because this is going to be very important. Now, this cannot use regular paint. You got to thin down the paint, all right? Meaning that you have to dilute the paint, mix it up more with thinner or actually other fluids. Make sure that you get the right paint, all right? They do sell spray paint. Make sure it's not concentrated, and before using it, you have to shake it very well. And then you can also run it through here. There's a mesh mode right here to thin down and make it more dilute and easier access to the actual paint, so it could thin down and run it down. Painting the door took me a couple minutes if it wasn't for the spray gun. Now, one thing I did run into a spray, that the funnel that actual gets the spray, the actual paint, it gets crooked in the bottom. So make sure that you line it up wherever the paint's going to be. So if you're painting up, it has to be the opposite way. If you're painting forward, it has to go front. Just be aware of that, because when I was up there, they want to spray. It took me a while. And I did get a little sprinkles here in my window, but you can take them off with a blade, very simple. But other than that, it took me maybe 20-30 minutes to paint the whole door. What it would cost me a lot more money to do it with somebody else. And not only that, it would have taken me longer with a brush. So I hope you guys enjoy the video.